Hi, welcome to the course Neural Networks and Deep Learning. Artificial neural networks, conceptually and structurally inspired by neural systems, are of great interest along with deep learning. So, we'll also learn about the neural networks and how most of the deep learning algorithms are inspired by the way our brain is functioning and how the neurons are going to process the data. So here are our course objectives. The first one is to introduce neural networks and different network architectures. The second one is provide application oriented knowledge for neural networks. The third objective is to provide knowledge on deep neural networks. And next comes the course outcomes, that is by the end of the course. So you will be able to learn all of these things. The first course outcome is learn and explain different network architectures. So there are different neural network architectures and we'll be learning how they are used in different applications. And the second course outcome here is while we are learning neural networks, so we'll be studying about different mathematical properties, different underlying mathematics in neural networks. Okay, so all this comes under the second course outcome. And the third one is you will be able to learn the neural networks and you will be implementing a particular neural network or deep learning technique for dealing with different applications of neural networks. That is, you may have an application like natural language processing, or you may have an application like object identification task. So you will be identifying a particular neural network technique or approach to deal with a particular task. The last but not the least course outcome of neural networks and deep learning is you will be able to select an appropriate neural network or deep learning approach for a given task. That is, you will be given a task so that you will be able to identify which kind of approach is best suited for the given tasks. So these are all the course objectives and course outcomes of neural networks and deep learning. So this is the syllabus of neural networks and deep learning. Unit 1 is going to deal with the introduction to neural networks, that is what is human brain, how it is going to work, and what are the different models of a neuron and the different types of network architectures. The second chapter gives us a detailed explanation about the learning processes, that is what is neural network learning and how a neural network is going to learn from the environment. So there are different types of learning processes: error correcting learning, memory based learning, Hebbian learning, competitive learning, and Boltzmann learning. So this is all about unit 1. Coming to the unit 2 of our syllabus, the first chapter deals with the single layer perceptrons. The first topic is unconstrained optimization, LMS algorithm, learning curves, perceptrons, convergence theorem, and limitations of single layer perceptrons. And the second chapter deals with the multi-layer perceptrons, that is backpropagation algorithm, the XOR problem, feature detection, accelerated convergence of backpropagation algorithm, and limitations. We also deal with a case study of feed-forward neural networks for handwritten digit recognition using Keras with Theano. So don't worry whether if you do not know about what is Keras and what is Theano. I'll just give you a small introduction to Keras and Theano now. So Keras is a high-level library which is used specially for building the neural network models. So Keras was specifically developed for fast execution of the ideas. It is written in and it is written for Python. Coming to Theano, it is a programming language which runs on top of the Python, but it has its own data structures which are tightly integrated with NumPy, which allows a faster implementation of mathematical expressions. So next comes the unit 3, which we will be dealing about convolutional networks, the convolution operation, motivation, the concept of pooling, and the concepts of convolution and pooling together. Next, variants of basic convolution function, and then efficient convolution algorithms. The second chapter deals with recurrent and recursive networks. So the first topic is recurrent neural networks. So what are recurrent neural networks and all we will be seeing here. And the next one is bidirectional RNNs, encoder decoder, sequence architectures, deep recurrent networks, LSTMs, and autoencoders. Okay. As part of third unit, we will be seeing a case study of image classification with convolution neural networks using Keras and Theano. Okay, and unit 4 deals with the Hopfield networks and Boltzmann machines. So we will be seeing what a Boltzmann machine is and what a restricted Boltzmann machine is. We will be seeing about the deep belief networks and deep Boltzmann machines. And the last unit 5 is going to discuss about the current areas of research and recent applications of deep neural networks. So we will be discussing about what are the recent applications in neural networks and current areas of research, and we will be also discussing about GANs and GRUs. So this is all of our neural networks and deep learning syllabus. These are our textbooks. The first textbook is Simon Hayekins, that is Neural Networks, a Comprehensive Foundation, which is the second edition. And we also have another textbook called Ian Goodfellow. It is nothing but deep learning, which is given by MIT Press. And there is also a reference book, the same Simon Hayekins, but it is third edition. And these are all the different web resources. You may have different types of web resources like Coursera, some standard universities websites, and you can also have different types of web resources. So this is all about the complete syllabus of our neural networks and deep learning and the different resources which we look for to learn about this subject.